Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide sensitive notification content on iOS 26. If you want to hide the sensitive notification content on your iPhone, which means that either the notification content will be hidden when your phone is locked or always, then you can go to the settings. Now go to notifications and you'll find the show previews, and you can set it to either always, so even if your phone is locked you'll see the notification content. And I don't like that because sometimes you'll get some sensitive stuff sent and someone else may see it, so I don't like it, especially if it's something like, for example, you get an SMS message or an email message with a verification code to a certain service, especially for your banking, then I wouldn't want that to be shown when my phone is locked. So I personally set it to when unlocked, but you can also set it to never. So whatever is set here, you'll still see the app from which the notification was sent, but you won't see the content if it's set to either when unlocked or never. And I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.